Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I am going to show you step by step how to create and set up Spring Boot project in IntelliJ IDEA. Later we will also build a simple REST API to test the setup. Well, IntelliJ IDEA has two editions. One is Ultimate Edition and another is a Community Edition. The IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate is a paid version and IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition is the free version. So I want to use IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition to create a Spring Boot project. Well, if you haven't installed IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition, then check out my YouTube channel. There is a video to install the IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. So this is absolutely free. So I want to use this free edition of IntelliJ IDEA to develop the Spring Boot project. Okay. The easiest way to create and set up Spring Boot project is that first we create a Spring Boot project using Spring Initializr and then we'll import that project in IntelliJ IDEA. Alright. So open the browser in a new tab. Just type Spring Initializr and hit enter and go ahead and click on this link start.spring.io. This will open the Spring Initializr. Well, Spring Initializr is a web tool that we can use to quickly create a Spring based applications. Alright, next let us fill up the project details over here. So here we have three types of projects. We are going to use Maven, so let us keep Maven as selected. And here we have three types of programming languages: Java, Kotlin, Groovy. We are going to use Java, so let us keep Java as selected. And here we need to choose the Spring Boot version. As of now, you can see Spring Boot version 3.4.0 is the latest version. So let us keep as it is. But you can choose Spring Boot version as per your requirement. Alright, next let us fill up the project metadata over here. So here let us give group as net.javaguides. You can give any group that you want. Next let us give the artifact ID Spring Boot first app. Next project name Spring Boot first app. So this project name is same as artifact, so let us keep as it is. Next description, demo project for Spring Boot, and let us give package name as net.javaguides.springboot. Next let us keep packaging as a jar. Next let us keep the Java version 23. So Java version 23 is the latest version as of now, so let us keep as selected. Next let us add the dependencies. So go ahead and click on this add dependencies button, and here we need to choose the dependencies as per our requirement. For example, if you want to develop the REST API, then just select Spring Web dependency. So this Spring Web dependency we can use to develop the REST APIs as well as the Spring MVC web applications. And Spring Web dependency internally includes Apache Tomcat as a default embedded container to quickly deploy the Spring Boot application. Next, if you want to use the database in your Spring Boot project, then just choose Spring Data GPA as well as the JDBC driver. You can use either MySQL driver or Oracle driver, PostgreSQL driver as per your requirement. So in this example, we are going to just create a REST API. For that, we are going to choose Spring Web dependency. Next, if you want to explore this Spring Boot application project structure, then you can go ahead and click on this explore button and go to the pom.xml file, and here you can explore all the dependencies and the Spring Boot application version, okay, and Java version, etc. Next, if you want to explore the project structure, you can go to the src folder, and you can see this is the standard Maven project structure, and this is the main entry point class of the Spring Boot application, and we use this main entry point class to run the Spring Boot application. Okay, next just close it. Next, go ahead and click on this generate button to generate this Spring Boot project and download as a zip file, and you can see the Spring Boot first app zip file is successfully downloaded. Next, let us open this zip file in a folder, and here just extract it. So right click on this zip file, extract all, and extract this folder in a downloads folder. So click on this extract button. Well, notice here the zip file is successfully extracted. Next, open this folder. Within this folder we can see Spring Boot first app project. Okay, next let us open the IntelliJ IDEA and let us import this project. So let me open the IntelliJ IDEA over here. So you can open the IntelliJ IDEA from the shortcut icon at a desktop or from the start menu. So go to the start menu and just type IntelliJ IDEA, and you can select the IntelliJ IDEA over here. Okay, so once you open the IntelliJ IDEA, next let us use this open button to open the project in this IntelliJ IDEA. So just click on this open button and go to the downloads folder, and within downloads folder just search for Spring Boot first app, and within this Spring Boot first app folder we have a Spring Boot first app application, right? So just select it, click on OK, and now you can see Spring Boot application is successfully opened in IntelliJ IDEA. So here let me maximize it, and you can see the pop-up over here. So it says load the Maven script. So just click on it. So IntelliJ IDEA will take a couple of seconds to index the dependencies, download the dependencies from the internet and store it in a local repository. Next, expand this project and here go to the pom.xml file, and here you can see the Spring Boot version 3.4.0, Java version 23 and the dependencies. Next, expand the src folder, Maven, and here you can see this is the Spring Boot main entry point class. So we run a Spring Boot application by using this Spring Boot main entry point class. And if you can notice here, this class has a main method. So the execution of the Java program starts from main method, and in Spring Boot also the execution of the Spring Boot application starts from this main method. Next, in order to test this setup, let us create one simple REST API. So here go to the package, right click on it, new, and then choose Java class. Let us give class name as welcome controller. Next, let us make this class as a Spring REST controller by annotating it with @REST controller annotation. Within this class, let us create one simple REST API. So here just type public, and let us give return type as a string, and then give welcome as a method name. And within this method, let us have a return statement, return welcome to Spring Boot world, something like that. Now we have created a simple method. Let us make this method as a REST API by annotating this method with @getMapping annotation. Next, let us configure the URL for this REST API. Let us say welcome. Now we have built a simple REST API using Spring Boot. Next, let us run the Spring Boot application and let us test this REST API. So go to the main entry point class over here, and in order to run the Spring Boot application, just click on this icon and then click on Run Spring Boot. Well, notice here the Spring Boot application is up and running in a embedded Tomcat server on port 8080. Alright, next let us go to the browser, and in a new tab just type localhost 8080/welcome and hit enter, and there we go. You can see the response, welcome to Spring Boot world. And if you go to the REST API, we have configured the response welcome to Spring Boot world. So this is what printed over here. It means that we have successfully created and set up the Spring Boot project in IntelliJ IDEA. Alright, so let me recap what we have done in this video. We have created a Spring Boot project using Spring Initializr, and then we have downloaded that project as a zip file, and then we have extracted that zip file and we have imported that project in IntelliJ IDEA, and then we have built a simple REST API to test the Spring Boot setup in IntelliJ IDEA. Alright, great. I will see you in the next video.